Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Friends, in this tutorial, I will show how can we split cells diagonally in Excel. That mean, type two headers in the same cell. You can see some student data in this Excel file, and there is the title in every upper cell. You can see that one cell title is blank, which name will be subject and code. So, now, we will split this cells diagonally. Click right button on selected cell. Now, go to Format Cell. From many options, we need to click on Border. After this, we need to select which type of cell and dividation we need. After selecting, click on OK. Now, we can see that the selected cell split diagonally in Excel sheet. Double-click on this cell and type cell title. Remember to type below, press Alt plus Enter. Now, double-click before upper text and press space. Press Alt plus Enter to move down second text. Double-click before second text and press space for right position. You can see selected cell split diagonally. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.